Hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, we'll be talking about naming convention in Python. I know by now you already know how to give names to objects, to classes, but this video is in reference to make you understand about rules and how should you name your variables, your classes, your packages, and all the other different stuff, maybe your functions or methods. So the first thing I need to talk about is module. So module name should always be written in lowercase. And if we want to use multiple words, we can use a separator called underscore. Next is class. So class is quite important, and when you are going at a high level projects, you are going to create lot of classes. So each word of a class should start with capital letters. So this rule is applicable to all the classes that is created by us. If you look at the built-in classes of Python, you will see they will always be all lowercase words, that means all small letters. So whenever we are going to create a class, we need to give first letter as capital. And if you want to use multiple names in a class, you don't have to give a space, you don't have to give underscore, you have to use continuous word, and whichever word you need to break, you need to use capital. The third one is global variable or module level variable, that means a class level or function level. So for that you can use all lowercase letters. And if you want to use multiple names, you can use underscore. The next one is instance variable, that is the variable that you refer according to your object. So it should be all lowercase, and if you have multiple words, just use double underscore. And make sure all the non-public, all the private instance variable should have double underscore at their starting. The next one is function. Function name should be all lowercase letter. So when you have multiple words, just use underscore. Next is method, and you already know that method and functions are same. Then you have method argument. So whenever you are passing argument, whenever you are creating argument for a function, so remember the first argument should be self, and after that if there is any argument, keep it as lower character. Next one is constant. So as you know, we cannot create constants in Python. So to follow the convention, all you have to do is use all capital letters to create a constant. Like if I want to create apple as 10. So all I have to do is create an apple, that is all capital letters and then 10. And if you want to use multiple words, use capital letters, underscore and then capital letters and then define your value. So that's all. I hope you now understand how to name your different functions, method, module, Python class and all the other stuff. I hope by now you understand everything. So see you in the next one.